everybody, I'm Anna, and this is my Stackathon. So my goal for this project was to make like a very lighthearted, interactive application. So I made an app that uses your face to move a 3D object. So if I click here to allow my webcam, it activates my webcam feed, and so I'm right here. And I use I use two libraries, ML5, which detects your face using this specific model called PoseNet, and then three.js to translate the coordinates of where your face is to the three.js rendering. So like if I move to the right, my face moves to the right. And then I added some extra interactivity where you can press these buttons and change your eyes or your nose. So if you click left eye, it changes it into cube, and right eye changes into another cube. Your nose can also change to cube. Your mouth can. And so I think this is my favorite of the three. So yeah, I used, like I said before, ML5, which is basically a machine learning library built on top of TensorFlow. So it's supposed to be a little bit of an easier, more like approachable library to use. And I used this model that someone had already made called PoseNet that uses your body, and it already knows basically where, like what your body should look like. So then it gives you, on every pose that you make, a bunch of data of like where different points of your body is. So this one's tracking my nose. So it isn't really tracking my eyes or my mouth. And so yeah, my main issues though with building this was basically getting to translate the coordinates from the video to three.js, because they use like different coordinate systems. I think the video goes from like 0 to 500, or depending how large your video is. And then three.js is more like 0, 0 is the middle of the screen. So what I did was basically just take the difference of your last pose to your new pose and then add it to the different cubes and shapes. And I think also another issue was just understanding how the data was coming in, like the data structures of the poses, because they were like objects embedded into arrays, and how to like target those coordinates and then put them into the three.js rendering. But yeah, so this is my Stackathon.